Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are curious about data science but don't know where to start, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about the best online data science certification for beginners in 2025. These programs are beginner friendly, affordable and designed to help you build a solid foundation in one of the most in-demand fields worldwide. Why learn data science? Let's be real, data is everywhere. From Netflix recommendations to health apps, data is shaping decisions around us every single day. And companies are willing to pay high salaries to people who can make sense of that data. That's why data science comes in. The best part, you don't need to be a coding genius to start learning. Alright, let's dive into the best beginner-friendly online certification for 2025. Here comes the first IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. It is great for complete beginners and governs Python's data visualizations and basic machine learning. Flexible learning plus you get a certificate from IBM. So definitely it will be one of the best choice if you like to do this course. Okay, in the second number we can say about Google Data Science for Professional Certificate. It is ideal if you are more interested in analytics, teaches Excel, SQL, visualizations tools, and it is almost affordable and highly respected worldwide. So if you want to get importance worldwide in the field of job, you can complete this certification course. In number 3, we can talk about edX Data Science MicroMasters MIT or Harvard X. It's a bit more advanced but it's still accessible. It's amazing if you want university level learning online. Can count towards a master's degree later. So it will be beneficial, I think, if you want to be a good data scientist, then it can work for you. Okay, in the next we can go to DataCamp Data Scientist Career Track. It is very hands-on and with interactive coding exercises. It covers R, Python, SQL and real projects. Perfect if you prefer learning by doing. And in the last one we can talk about Udemy. Udemy is budget friendly and beginner friendly. It is you will get lifetime access if you enroll in this website, and so you can learn it at your own speed. It covers everything from basics to real world projects. However, so which one should you pick? If you want a big name brand on your resume, IBM or Google is safe bet. If you dream about going deeper into academics, edX is amazing, and if you just want to try things out without spending too much money, Udemy and DataCamp are perfect starting point. Here are a few tips before you sign up. Number 1. Start small. Don't overload yourself with too many tools at once. Number 2. Practice with real data sets. Kaggle is a great free resources. Number 3. Stay consistent. Even 1 hour a day make a big difference. Number 4. Join online communities to stay motivated. Okay, alright friends, that wraps up today's videos on the best online data science certification for beginners in 2025. Remember, the best course is that one you actually finish. So pick up, commit to it and start your journey in data science today. If you found this helpful, you can like, comment and share and tell me in the comments which certification you were most excited to try. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.